This is a Lynx grill. Let me tell you about all the things and the features that this grill has that really separates it from all other luxury grills. What makes Lynx burners so different than all other burners is their infrared capabilities. So with Lynx, you have the ability to have a different range. Most infrareds will only be on and then like really hot and like blazing hot. With this Trident burner with Lynx, you can actually get from 300 degrees all the way up to 1100 degrees. So you can cook your bone-in chicken, your salmon, all that great stuff, but you can also sear your steak. It's fantastic, and the way that it cooks really sears all your meat fabulously. Lynx also has a wide variety of other appliances to complete your luxury outdoor kitchen. Has like a pizza oven, a flat top called an asado, also has a Komodo style smoker slash grill, a beer tap, list goes on and on. The Lynx makes fabulous products. Their grills are exceptional. When you're looking for outdoor grills, you should absolutely look at one and check it out.